Hey, what's up guys? Sloth King here. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your maintenance light on your 4th gen 4Runner, years 2003 to 2008, technically 9, and then this might apply for the GX470 guys as well, within those years. Don't quote me on that though. So anyway, I decided to make a full-length video on this because I put out a short on how to do this, and I just want to make sure that I do it in real time. I will show you guys exactly how to do it. So anyways, I recently just did an oil change, so let's go ahead and go through this. All right, as you can see, I do not have my keys in the ignition. So we're gonna put in the on position, let the annoying ding start. And as you can tell, I do not have a maintenance light on there because I changed it under 5,000 miles. The maintenance light will pop on when you have when you reach 5,000 miles for your oil change. So this is going to be a little bit tricky. Let's see if I can position the camera right up here for you. All right, that way we can see this side of the lights. So you're going to want it on your regular odometer, and what we're going to do, you're going to use one hand and you're going to hold down on the odometer. You're going to turn your key off, click it on, and then you should see your maintenance light flash. And then once it's done flashing, it's reset. So let me do that again. You have your ignition off. You're gonna put it on, you're gonna hear the annoying dings. All right. You see how the maintenance light was just on for like, I don't know, maybe 2 seconds. You're gonna have it on the odometer. You're gonna click and hold the button, turn the key off, put it back onto the on position while you are still holding that button down. Look at the maintenance light. Once it flashes like that and it stays on for like half a second and then it turns off, that means you literally just cleared your maintenance light for your oil change interval. So that's literally all you need to do. It's as easy as that. Wow, I literally cannot speak tonight. But it's as easy as that. It can be a little tricky using 2 hands. I wish they would just have like a maintenance button like right underneath the dash. That'd be so much easier to clear. But yeah. That's all you need to do. Some models, like if you do it on like a Tacoma or something like that, when you have it on your odometer and you hold down that button, you turn your key off and then you turn it back on, you're gonna see your dashes, like dashes that fill in that mileage number. You're gonna see dashes that count down, and that means it's cleared. So it's a little bit different for a couple different makes. But maybe we'll do that on the GX470. I don't know, I've never cleared the maintenance light on that. But yeah, that's all you need to do. So if you guys found this video helpful, go ahead and leave a like, subscribe to see more videos like these, and I'll catch you on the next ride.